In last few sessions of professional practices course, we have studied about contracts, estimation, types of estimation, valuation, and various requirements for being good estimator and valuer. Now, in this session, we will discuss about the various units and measurements as per IS 1200 given for measurement of quantities. This is very important because the specific item should be measured in specific unit only for avoiding the confusions and change in the values. Myself, R.V. Jugdar, Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. First, we will see what is needed for providing unit of measurement for different quantities. The method and unit of measurement for civil construction work are mainly categorized for their nature, shape, and size, and for making payments to the contractor. The principle of units of measurement normally consists of the following: single unit work like doors, windows, trusses, etc. are expressed in numbers. For works consist linear measurement involve length like cornice, fencing, handrailing, bands of specified width are expressed in running meters. For works consist of aerial surface measurement involve area, that is two-dimensional figure like plastering, whitewashing, partition of specified thickness, etc., and are expressed in square meters always. For works consist of cubical content are having three dimensions: length, breadth, and depth or height, which involves volume like earthwork, cement, concrete, masonry, etc., are expressed always in cubic meter units. Rules for measurement of civil engineering works. There are rules or requirements of measurement in civil engineering works as per IS 1200. The rules for measurement of each item are invariably described in IS 1200. However, some of the general rules are listed below. Measurement shall be made for finished items of work, and description of each item shall include material, transport, labor, fabrication, tools and plants, and all types of overhead for finished the work in a required shape, size, and specifications. In booking, the order shall be in sequence of length, breadth, height, or thickness. All works shall be measured subjected to following tolerances. The linear measurement shall be measured to the nearest of 0.01 meter, means the error should be acceptable up to 0.01 meter only. Areas shall be measured to the nearest of 0.01 square meters. The cubic content shall be worked out to the nearest of 0.01 cubic meters. Same type of work under different condition and nature shall be measured separately under separate items. The bill of quantities or abstract sheet shall fully describe the materials, proportion, workmanship, and accurate represent the work of executed. In case of masonry, stone or brick, the structural concrete, the categories shall be measured separately and the height shall be described as from foundation to plinth level, from plinth level to first floor level, from first floor to second floor level, and so on. The following table shows unit of measurement of various items of civil engineering works based on IS 1200. This table consists of serial number, particular items, unit of measurement, and unit of payment. The unit of measurement and unit of payment are two different things. If sometimes unit of measurement is different, the unit of payment may vary than that. The first item of execution of civil work is earthwork. Earthwork is of different types, that is earthwork in excavation, earthwork in filling, earthwork in cutting, etc. The first item is earthwork in excavation. The unit of measurement for which is cubic meter and units for payment is per cubic meter. For earthwork in filling, the unit of measurement is cubic meter and unit of payment also cubic meters. Earthwork in filling in plinth, the unit of measurement is cubic meter and unit of payment is per cubic meters. The next item is concrete. The concrete is always measured for foundation, lintels, slab, etc. The first item is lime concrete for foundation. The unit of measurement is cubic meter and unit of payment is per cubic meters. For lintel concreting, the unit of measurement is cubic meter and unit of payment is per cubic meters. For RCC slabs, for RCC in Chhajja and Sunshade, the unit of measurement is cubic meter and payment or unit of payment is per cubic meters. For lean concrete in a roof terracing or having thickness less than zero point 0.1 meter, the unit of measurement is square meter and unit of payment is per square meter. The next item is cement concrete bed. The unit of measurement is cubic meter and payment of unit of payment is per cubic meters. For damp proof course item, the unit of measurement is square meter and unit of payment is per square meter. For brickwork, generally brickwork is measured in cubic meter and its unit of payment is per cubic meter. And for the brickwork having less thickness than the specified as in 1200, then the unit of measurement is square meter and unit of payment is per square meter. This is decided on thickness of the item. If thickness of item is more than zero point 0.3 meters, then the mode of measurement or unit of measurement is generally taken as cubic meter, and below 0.3 meters the mode of measurement or unit of measurement is taken as square meters. The stone masonry is usually measured in cubic meters and unit of payment is per cubic meters. For woodwork is measured in cubic meters and unit of payment is per cubic meter. For shutters and flat area having elements like shutters and fittings, the shutter are measured in square meters and mode of payment is square meters. Doors, fittings, hinges, door bolts are measured in numbers or units. Steel work is generally measured for RCC in quintal and payment unit is per quintal. For grills or railings, the unit of measurement is square meter and the mode of payment or unit of payment is per square meters. For roofing, the RCC and lime slab, the unit of measurement is cubic meter and the mode of payment or unit of payment is per cubic meter. For lean concrete, the unit of measurement is square meter and unit of payment is per square meter. Centering is measured in square meters and unit of payment is per square meter. AC roofing is also measured in square meter and unit of payment is per square meter. Plastering and plastering pointing and finishing is generally measured in square meter and unit of payment is per square meters. Pointing is also measured in square meter and unit of payment is per square meter. Whitewashing, coloring and all coloring items are measured by unit square meter and the payment method is also square per square meters. For flooring, the unit of measurement is square meter and the unit of payment is per square meter. For skirting, the material is calculated by the unit of measurement square meter, but the workmanship or labor charges are given in per running meter. For door and window sills, the unit of measurement is square meter and the unit of payment is per square meter. For rainwater pipe fitting, steel wooden truss, uh, plumbing work, the unit of measurement is running meter and the unit of payment is also running meter. Steel wooden trusses, the unit of measurement is per numbers. For glass panels, the unit of measurement is square meter. Where the thickness of item is less, the unit of measurement is generally square meter and the thickness is more than 0.3 meters, the unit of measurement is cubic meters. In this table, the various unit of payments are given. Generally for earthwork, the unit of payment is in 100 meter cubes. For surface dressing, the unit of payment is meter square. For cutting trees, it is in numbers. For stone quarrying and blasting, the unit of measurement is meter cube. And for damp proof course, the unit of measurement is meter square. These are all items shown in table which gives the unit of measurements and mode of measurements as well as unit of payment. For expanded metal provision, the unit of measurement is meter square or centimeter square. For threading, welding, shoulder of sheets, the unit is per centimeter. For iron gate, grill, collapsible gate, rolling shutter, the unit of measurement is meter square. For iron drilling, the unit of measurement is running meter. For roofing tile, the unit of measurement is meter square. For flooring of any kind, the unit of measurement is meter square. For grouting as a special item, the unit of measurement is meter square. For grouting cracks and joints, unit of measurement is meter. Even if the items are same as grouting, the unit of measurement for different type of work is different. The supply of sand or bricks is in meter cube. The supply of cement is in bags. The supply of GI sheet is in per quintal. The supply of GI sheet is in meter square. Supply of sanitary items in number. Supply of varnishes and paints in a liter. Supply of steep paint is in kg. We must know the unit of measurement for each and every item for workmanship and as well as for the materials purchased in market. Otherwise, it will be problematic or it will be confusing for purchase of material and during measurement of work on actual site. Thank you.